In this lesson, you will learn how to create a healthcare content examination policy using Mimecast's Healthcare Reference Dictionary. The new Mimecast Healthcare Managed Reference Dictionary, when enabled on your account, allows administrators to quickly and easily implement a healthcare content examination policy. This is done by the necessary policy syntax being populated in the policy definition. This also allows administrators to fine-tune which checks are carried out and if any checks need to be added to suit a particular scenario. For example, they may wish to add additional search words or phrases, or add one of Mimecast's entities, above and beyond what the Healthcare Dictionary provides. Be aware that the contents of the Healthcare Dictionary will allow administrators to quickly and easily search messages and attachments for HIPAA-related content. To create a healthcare content examination policy, you will need to create a definition first. To do this, navigate to Administration, Gateway, Policies. Click the Definitions drop-down menu and choose Content Definitions. Click the plus sign on the root folder and select the new folder created. Name it Healthcare at the top in the Viewing Folder field. Then press Enter. Next, select the Healthcare folder and choose New Content Definition. We'll call it Healthcare Definition. Select a definition type of Independent Content Definition, which indicates we are adding a Mimecast managed dictionary as opposed to a user-created dictionary. Specify an activation score. This is the overall score that any content matches must reach before the content examination policy is applied. We'll enter 6 for this example. This means 6 terms must be detected within an email before the policy is triggered. Click the Insert menu. Select Mimecast Managed Reference Dictionary. Click Lookup next to the Link Content Reference field. Select Reference Dictionary on the left. You will see 2 U.S. healthcare reference dictionaries. One is fixed and the other is configurable. Configurable will show a list of all the checks we perform so customers can edit the checks if need be. For this example, we'll choose Fixed. Click the word Select next to U.S. Healthcare Fixed. Next, click Save and Exit. The word phrase match list will now be populated with the default Mimecast Healthcare Policy syntax. Remember, you can enter additional search terms here or an entity. For example, if you wish to add a search for URLs, you would enter the entity 1detect URL. For more detailed information, including a list of supported entities, visit our knowledge base using the link in the description. Check the boxes next to the fields you wish to scan. Mimecast recommends scanning subject line, message body, and attachments. Next, we'll look at the inbound and outbound settings. Most of these options will depend on your specific environment. The first option is to select the action you wish to apply if a content match is found. For this example, we'll use Hold for Review. This option is for administrators who wish to review all messages that trigger their content policies. Be aware customers with access to secure messaging will be able to choose whether or not to send the message securely rather than placing it on hold. In the Notification Options section, click Lookup next to the Notify Group field and choose a group to notify. Check the box next to Notify Internal Sender if you want to notify the end user that they have attempted to send sensitive information and that the message has been put on hold. You also have the option to notify an internal recipient as well as external senders and recipients. A default notification will be sent to those individuals. Notifications can be customized using notification sets within the administration console. Click Save and Exit when finished. Click Go Back. Next, click on Content Examination and then choose New Policy. Enter a policy name in the Policy Narrative field. name it Healthcare Policy, and select the content definition you created by using the Lookup button. Choose the appropriate folder and click the Select option next to the healthcare definition you created. We recommend setting the policy from internal to external to ensure all outbound traffic is taken into account. When setting up the policy, it may be useful to apply to a group of users to ensure the configuration works as expected. Click Save and Exit. In this lesson, you learned how to create a healthcare definition and policy to prevent internal and external users from sharing confidential healthcare information. For more information, please visit our knowledge base using the link in the description.